What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Bought another dirt bike because I have problems. Good deal came up, couldn't pass it up. I'm a KTM guy. I like KTM. I actually didn't want a KTM though because I've been riding KTM forever and I wanted to just try something different for next summer. So I was kind of looking for a KX 250, maybe a YZ 250, but deal came up and here's what we got. 2004 KTM 200sx. Just bought it the other night. Haven't driven it, haven't done anything. Oh, that's a lie. I have done something. When I bought it, it had no sprocket on it because Buddy was in the middle of changing sprockets. So I put a new front sprocket on it that he gave me. The rear sprocket is totally cooked, but I got a new one on order. I threw a new chain on that I had laying around here. And we're just going to go drive it, which is a terrible idea. But we're just going to go drive it and see if it goes through the gears and stuff. For some reason, we don't have snow right now. We should. So I'm going to take this opportunity to at least drive it and make sure it goes through the gears and see what works, see what doesn't work. So I know what we can work on this thing over the winter. I don't advise really doing this. Normally, as soon as I buy a bike, first thing I do, drain the oil, put a new plug, clean the carb before I do anything. I don't like driving stuff that's been sitting or that I bought from someone. I don't know the history of it. But that being said, I'm going to go against my rules today because it's supposed to snow later today, and I want to get this thing out before it snows. So we're just going to go around the block there real quick. I'm not going hard on it, a long ride. I just want to make sure it goes through the gears, power valve opens, it revs out, and we'll leave it at that. And then we'll talk about it a little more when we get back. This is probably the most interesting part of the bike. Look at this pipe, just completely folded. It's pretty bad, that one. We'll have to get those dents out, which will be fun. But for now, I got some gas mixed up. Let's put some gas in this thing and we'll see if it works anyways. I know it starts, don't know if it moves. Hopefully the clutch works. That's what I'm most concerned about because it seems like every bike I buy has a bad clutch, or not a bad clutch, but a not working clutch. So cross your fingers. I'm going to put some gas in this thing. We're going to fire it up and we'll see what happens. All right, so it's been running for a few minutes. Let's see if the clutch works. This is what I'm worried about. I'm worried about the clutch. Just because I know these KTMs a bit and I've had the issues in the past. So fingers crossed that I put it in gear and it doesn't stall. So clutch in. Oh, nice. All right. Thing's a little rocket, man. It's faster than I thought. I thought it would have no bottom end. That's what I was worried about. It actually feels not bad. I'll do one more pull and then I'll bring her home just because I don't really like driving it without looking at things, like I said, but we'll do one more pull here. But it actually feels good. I actually like this thing. It pulls pretty good. I thought it would have no bottom end power. I thought it wasn't going to have enough. It actually pulls pretty good. All right, so we're back. It actually, you know what? I kind of like how the power hits. It's, I don't know how to explain it. It's almost like, it revs like a 125 kind of. It doesn't sound like a 125. It sounds more like a 250, but it revs like a 125, but definitely has a lot more bottom end than a 125. Probably not quite as much as a 250, but not super far off. I actually like it. It feels really nice and light. That's the part I like. But that's probably it for this video. I just want to give you a first look at this thing. I don't really know what I'm going to do to it yet. Probably just clean it up. Since I'm trying to do the powder coating stuff, I think I'm going to powder coat this engine cover black. Let me know what you guys think, if you like that or not. I'll probably do that, and then the stator cover as well in a black. I did it on my 380. I think it turned out pretty good. So we'll probably do that black. Also just because I want to try powder coating some stuff. But yeah, that's probably it for now. I'll put a video up getting the dents out of that pipe. I've done it once before, and it was one of the sketchiest things I've ever done in my life. Pipe went off like a bomb. So I don't know. Hopefully that goes better this time. Yeah, see you in the next video. If you want to see more of this bike, just let me know. Leave a comment below. If you don't want to see this bike, you don't like KTM, like most people don't seem to like KTM, let me know. Leave a comment. But until next time, see you later. Hey! Subscribe to the channel!